So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about BHEL share. So recently, when we discussed about this particular stock near the 65 rupees level, we have done the complete technical analysis and we have seen that the quarter results have majorly impacted this particular stock, and followed by few brokerages have also reduced the rating. So these were some of the reasons why the stock was in continuous correction. So nevertheless, we'll also do the technical analysis to find out what are the major support regions that we need to focus in the coming sessions, followed by we'll also do the delivery analysis to find out how much percentage is being taken on day-to-day basis. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group. I'll provide a link in the comment section. Okay, so if we see the day-to-day wise deliveries in BHEL, so we can see on 4th August, the stock has showed almost 1.9% downfall, and percentage wise, if you see 22.8% is the delivery percentage. So much delivery percentage is also not maintained. So on regular basis, the stock actually has around 18 to 20, in that particular range only the delivery percentage varies. But you can see that the traded quantity, the volume of traded quantity, you can see that it will be maximum, because majorly we know trading happens in this particular stock. So that's why we'll see little bit of traded volume is more as compared to the actual delivery volume. So continuous correction is there in between. Once it has given just a positive movement, so rest all days you can see it was in little bit of fall. So mainly whatever I told in the beginning of the video, the quarter result followed by few brokerages which made the stock look little bearish. So what are those particular levels that we need to focus in the coming session? So we'll try to discuss that. So quickly, let's go to technical charts. Okay, so now we are back onto the technical charts, and you can see this is the weekly chart time frame, and today also you can see 1.29% downfall was present in the stock, and it has closed near the 57.25 rupees level. So once you see the chart, so clearly you can understand we have put two moving averages. So one is 200-day exponential moving average followed by 50-day. So if you observe clearly, you can see it is traveling in a range between those two moving averages, and little bit of compression is also observed. You can see both are trying to come closer to each other. So little bit of consolidation, whatever we are seeing, may continue in the coming sessions also, till whatever the weakness is present gets nullified. So if you see the support region, you can see a 50-day support is present near the 51.50. So that particular level will be very important in the coming sessions on weekly chart time frame. So that is a strong support that we can expect, and definitely you need to watch that. And if you see money flow index, so that is near 77. So from highly overbought, it has come a little bit down and it is near the 77 region. So nobody is selling at the top regions. That's why even though the stock is in little correction, but the money flow index has not yet come to oversold. So that what signifies that at high levels also many people have taken strong positions. So this is on weekly chart. So let's even go to daily chart. Okay, so once you see the daily chart time frame, you can see after it has come below the 50-day exponential moving average, we know it is a little bit of a bearish region when it comes below that moving average. So after coming below that, we have seen little bit of downfall in the stock, and now you can see the 200-day exponential moving average is also present in the near term. So 50-day moving average in weekly chart followed by 200-day moving average in daily chart. So these regions are going to be very important. So same in daily chart, the 51 rupees level is going to be very important. So both on weekly chart followed by daily chart, so that particular level is going to be very important. So must watch level in the coming sessions. So resistance wise, first it should cross the 60 rupees level with some very good volume. So after that only we can signify that it will have some good move. Okay, so slow moving stock, consolidation stock, and it needs little improvement in financials also. So that is the major reason why it is in correction. So money flow index in daily chart, it is in 23, almost oversold region. Okay, almost entering oversold region. So if a small pullback happens, you can even go for short term trading as well. So this is going to be very important. So watch the levels very carefully, and people have taken it high levels, so hold it if you want to average. So first region 50 rupees is going to be very important. So closing about that is very important. So further, if you're having any queries, you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is stocks derivati. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.